Now let's have a look at rundown details and how we can provide additional information in our rundown with notes, colors, and custom fields. Perfect for a collaborative workflow. If we click an event, we'll open the details on the right. Here we have details about how our timer is going to start and the duration and some behaviors. Clicking an event will show details on the right-hand side. All rundown items include title, notes, colors, and custom fields. Let's add some color to our rundown. We want our milestones to stand out. Let's make those a nice purple. Let's give our group a dark green, while we give our event timers a light green. Colors are a great way to keep things clear and organized on your rundown, especially when you get into larger number of events. Titles, notes, and color are built into Ontime, while the custom fields are user-generated. We have 4 custom fields already from the last video, but let's have a look at how we add more custom fields. We have a shortcut link here to manage custom fields, or you can go to the top left in Project Settings and click Custom Fields. Here, let's add a new custom field. We have a type, which we can choose as a text custom field or an image custom field. Let's add client notes. We'll keep that as text and we'll label that pink. Click Save, and that's been added. We can close our settings, and now in our details, we'll see that below in the custom fields. What makes this really powerful is in our cue sheet. In our cue sheet, we have our built-in fields and then our custom fields. This is the new one we just created. Sharing the cue sheet with your teammates and your client is an extremely powerful way to keep everyone in the loop, both during the show and in pre-production. To simplify a view, we can hide views that are not relevant to us. We also have the ability to create a custom share link. If we'd like to share this with our client, we can create a custom read and write. If they don't need to see production notes, let's turn those off. Scroll down, click Create Share Link, and now we have a link we can share with our client. We can collaborate with them pre-production and during the show. Copy the link, give that to your client, and they're ready to go. Now that we have our custom link, it's as easy as sharing that with our client. Since this is going to run in the browser, there are no downloads necessary. Let's have a look. We paste that link we just created, and just like that, there's our client view. If they go up to the top right, click Edit. Now we can add any info we want here. That information will sync in real time with Ontime. We can change the info here, and that will again update in real time for our client. Great collaborative tool for you, your team, and your clients. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.